Rising above the vibrant Canary Wharf district and its captivating array of international business, chic shops, restaurants, pubs and wine bars, the five-star London Marriott West India Quay Hotel is the perfect location to experience a new London. On arrival, the hotel offers a unique welcome and blends contemporary design with warm yet modern surroundings. Our Marriott Executive Apartments offer efficiency-seeking professionals the opportunity to enjoy sleek, beautifully appointed studio, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, smartly designed for the extended stay. Each apartment blends the comforts of home, such as a full kitchen, entertainment centre, dedicated work area, and our famous plush bedding, with the approachable luxury, attention and services of a five-star hotel. Our luxurious curved suites boast a unique experience. The spacious living area has floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of London. Whether it be a chic cocktail party or conference with the coolest theme breaks, our flexible space and expert team makes for the perfect combination. Themed around New York's hustle and bustle, the Manhattan Bar boasts a cutting-edge design, large plasma screens and flexible lighting, making it the perfect place to kick back with friends and colleagues to enjoy cocktails in Canary Wharf. The London Marriott Hotel West India Quay is a landmark hotel that offers an extraordinary blend of comfort and convenience that is in sync with its surroundings. The hotel is in an ideal location with easy connections to XL London, the O2, London City Airport and popular West End attractions. In fact, wherever you want to go in the capital, the greatest city in the world is at your feet. And at the end of your day in the world's greatest city, experience your other side at the London Marriott West India Quay Hotel and Executive Apartments.